What's up, guys? We're back. I'm gonna try to get this video done ASAP. I have two new avocados to do a quick taste test on, and they're definitely ripe and ready to go. This is the Luna, which is a new variety that's being released. This is also UCR V10. I got these at, I would call it an Avocado Talk hosted by UCR. It was done last Saturday, and you know what? I got a chance to enjoy both of these, but I want to do it on video so you can actually see it. So I'm excited to have this, and this is probably going to be my last avocado taste test video for a while because I don't have any newer varieties that are ready to go as of right now, unless I get some from some of my friends. But let's do it. Let's do it quickly. I'm going to do something a little different because usually I do one at a time. I think what I'm going to do is do both of these at a time and then do a quick taste test for both and then compare it side by side. So if you guys don't know what these are developed, I guess these avocados were developed by UCR and they're currently being released. Backyard growers cannot get these. I have not been able to get these. It'd be nice for us to be able to get it, being a backyard grower, just to have this variety in our collection. But there's a lot of politics involved. I'm not going to get involved. I'm just going to, with this video today, more than anything, I just want to share that these varieties may be available for us in the future. But to get a chance to taste this to see if it's actually worth trying to get. So far, I can say yes, but time will really tell if we're going to be able to get it in the backyard and have everybody kind of growing this and then enjoying this also. So let's do the Luna first. I'm going to cut this open and do my peel test. And then I'll cut UCR V10 open also and do a peel test on that. So right off the bat, the skin definitely feels a lot thicker. Like I can feel it as I'm pushing through the flesh. But look at that. Look how nice that looks. Actually looks really nice. So let's do that. And then let's cut this is a smaller fruit. I kind of like having a smaller fruit about this size. I mean, this is like palm size right here. The Luna was a little bit bigger. But from what I remember about this is that the flesh was more green. So let's see if that holds true on this version right here. All right, let's cut this guy up and open it up. See what it looks like. Yeah, you can. Yep. You see how this section right here it's more green, like a darker green compared to Luna on the right, V10 on the left, and it's definitely a little difference in color. So let's do our scientific peel test for Luna. Well, it's actually really thick skin. This is a lot thicker than a lot of the varieties that I have. I like thicker skin like this, and I like how it peels like this. This is nice. That's beautiful. I don't feel any graininess or anything, so that's good. So let's see if we can peel the V10. Oh, I kind of cut this one a little thicker. That's okay. Oh yeah. Wow, both of these peel great. That for sure is a good banana style peel. So peel comes, this is, let me see, thicker, a little thinner. The V10's thinner, but this is way thicker. I mean, extremely thick, I would say. I mean, not extremely. I mean, there's stuff that's, That's probably just as thick as that. So now what we'll do is do a quick taste test, and of course I'll fast forward through my chewing. Very creamy, very buttery, very nut forward, avocado flavor. That, I mean, that's an excellent avocado. It's in the excellent range for sure. So that's really good. So Luna, definitely excellent. You know what? I have a Hass off of my tree, and maybe what I'll do is I'll cut this open at the end and then do a quick taste of this and compare it. But hold on, let me try this V10. This has not been released. I was lucky enough to just get a chance to get a piece of the fruit to try. So let's try it. Very similar, but I can't I can't describe the. Gosh, this is. Hold on, let me do another. Let me start here and go this way. I wonder if that changes anything. So I'll start with the V10. So the V10, it's more dense, more firm of a texture, but it has relatively the same flavor profile as this. So let's do the Luna again. Okay. So Luna is more soft, more buttery and smooth. This is more firm, more dense. Starting here and going this way, I like this one better because I'm on the. I like buttery, smooth avocados, but I also like firm texture. I like the firm stuff a little more because sometimes the really soft buttery stuff gets a little mushy. But Luna's not mushy at all. It's good and smooth. Got a great avocado taste. But I think this one kind of ekes it out a little bit. I mean, the V10, this is, what was this again? Yeah, the V10, UCR V10. So yeah, that's, oh, you know what? Since I got my Hass here, I'm going to do it. Just, this is a homegrown Hass, and I think this one is really ripe. Yeah, this one's way ripe because I had it on the counter for a while. I was saving this to see if I could do a comparison, but I don't think that this would be a fair comparison. Homegrown Hass, which if I cut this open like maybe 4 days ago, 3 days ago, it'd be really excellent. But I think I let this one sit on the counter a little too long. But we can still do a quick taste. Still good avocado. It's not a fair comparison because this one's overripe. It's a mature fruit that's been sitting on the counter and it's ripe, but now it's overripe. So not a fair comparison. But I've had Hass off of my tree and it's been excellent. The Luna, this is like the perfect point, to be honest. This is, it's a mature fruit and it's also ripe to the point where it's perfect. This one, the V10, excellent also. I actually, honestly, I would prefer this one over the Luna. The fruit's on the smaller side, but I guess one of the drawbacks is you kind of have a little bigger seed compared to Luna. So you get more flesh on the Luna than V10, but the flavor of this one is really good. So first of all, I want to thank UCR for hosting the Avocado Talk, and I actually learned a lot. I sat there as, you know, of course, I had questions about some of the flowering characteristics and things like that, but I was happy to be able to attend. Unfortunately, I had to leave a little early because I had a party to go to, but yeah, it was fun. It was good to kind of just sit there and like learn about avocados, and a lot of the stuff I already knew, but there was always new things to be learned if you just sit there and kind of listen. So hopefully you guys are doing good. This just, this is really just a quick taste test. I wanted to get this out there because I didn't want them to get overripe, kind of like my Hass. But these are perfect. Right now, what I'm going to do is get some bacon, and I'm going to make some avocado toast with bacon on top. Anyways, talk to you guys later. See ya. Bye.